Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy the S&P 500 right here in BlackBull Markets. So what we're going to do is we click right here on symbol search and then we type in S&P 500. Then you will see right here the S&P 500 and we select right here the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust. Then we have it right here. And now if you want to create ourselves a position on the S&P 500, you need to know that the market has to be opened. Or we can create a limit order with a higher price and then he will wait in a pending order until the market will open. But when the market is open, you can click right here on market and then select right here the units that you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 1 unit of the S&P 500. Then right here you can click on take profit or stop loss to do on risk management if you want to do that. And if you want to buy it, then simply click right here on buy. And right now, when the market is open, you create yourselves a position. But right now he's telling market is closed. So that is why we can't buy now the S&P 500. So this is exactly what you need to know to buy the S&P 500 on BlackBull Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.